All right, let's talk about loops. Why the hell do they repeat? Simple, because you don't interrupt them. A loop is just a script that the system already knows you're gonna run. Same thoughts, same actions, same outcomes. Every time you respond the same way, you reinforce it. That's why your life feels like Groundhog Day, because you're literally acting out the same code. The program doesn't need you to write the program doesn't need to write you anything new because it already knows how you're gonna move. So how do you break it? You disrupt it. You make a move that doesn't match the script. You change your rhythm, change your route, change the way you respond. That disruption forces the system to generate something new because it can't keep serving you the same old loop. You're not playing your part anymore. So if you're wondering why loops repeat, it's not because you're cursed, it's because you're predictable. Flip the script and the loop cracks. So if you watched my post this morning, you gotta do the opposite of something because the simulation already has you clocked down because the simulation programmed you. So the simulation knows what you're gonna do. So you need to go off script, go off-roading, give Jesus the wheel, do what you gotta do. This meat vessel, meat suit sometimes gets in the way because it's programmed to do the same thing. Like a record. Take the needle off and let's change the track. Move it to another lane. So if you wake up and you brush your teeth with your right hand, do it with your left. Like I've told this to other people in passing. I did it with myself for 21 days. I trained every day if I wanted to grab it because I'm a lefty. So I did it with my right. Reprogrammed my brain, rewrote the code, rewrote stuff by doing the opposite of stuff. So if they expect you to go left, go fucking right. Just change it up one day. One day, wake up and be like, you know what? Let's do things a little different. But because you're doing it different doesn't mean it needs to be disorganized. I call it orderly chaos. So with that being said, come back for the next part. Give me a follow because we're starting this account again. Give me a like, give me a share, comment, because that pushes me out to more people. And if this is reaching you, let me know where you're checking in from because I'm from Jersey. So with that being said, I'm signing off and come back for part 3.